just pulled out the old fan. Realised one design fault I had is to get the shroud out, or to get the fan out, you have to take the shroud out. To get the shroud out, I didn't take my entire top mount intercooler system off. That's painful. Thankfully this isn't something you do often, but yeah, a little bit annoyed that got that slight glitch in the modifications. But she's all out. A little zoom in, you can see down, pulled it out. The other issue I've got, as you can see, I'm missing one of those. But if we walk over to the bench, you got a nice pack of new ones. So I'm gonna chuck all the new ones in, I think. We'll see how I go. And keep the old ones as spares. Got the old fan here and a hub. I'm going to reuse the same hub. This hub was brand new when I put it in only about 2 years ago. So all I'm going to do is bolt the new fan up and she should be good to go. So that's the old fan. Let's see if zoom out. That's the old one. That is a factory GU one basically. And then we've got a replacement one, possibly G35. I'm not really sure, but it's got a lot more fan blades, so hopefully it'll pull a little bit more air in and keep things a bit cooler. It is still a factory Nissan by the looks, or it's got a little Nissan label. Let's see if we can see. You can see it. You can quite see it there. A little Nissan label. So we'll see how that goes. If you guys can see, little F there, front. That always goes. All bolted up. Basically now I'm just gonna pop this straight back on the car, pop the shroud back on, and then pop the intercooler back on. So we'll see, hopefully this will help out a little bit. Keep those temps down a little bit, which is always nice. Alrighty, trick to get these off. I've left the belts on the key tension. I'm just going to do one thread at a time. So I'm just going to try and get one off before I even put the other one on. Maybe not my smartest move, but that's alright. So you put your first nut on, get your second nut, do that one up a little bit, and then you're basically tightening up the first nut onto the second nut, and it's meant to lock it into place, but this is not working. Right, yeah, there it is. Alright, and that will unscrew. It is working. I thought I pressed the fingers on the ground. It is. And you literally just unwind like so. And this is just winding the thread straight out of the other one for you. Just be careful of that one. That's why we wouldn't undo them all at once. That is a bit loose. And voila. And then put it back in. I'm pretty much just doing the same thing in reverse. I've put the nuts on ready to go. You see, you get that thread started. Screw it a little bit. And then you're going to use your second nut this time to get it tightened up in there. And you just wind it in like that. Now you don't want to go too tight because you don't want to strip any of the threads. But you want to make sure it's firm. That. And then just loosen your nuts off and they come straight off. Alright, on to the rest. Alright. New threads are all in, or studs are in. We're just going to slide that over like that. And then the fun bit of getting your fingers in to, I wonder actually if I could. This is the bit that sucks, because you're trying to, especially a big fat finger like mine, trying to get these little nuts started. It's never fun. But you get your 3 that you can reach on the best to your best ability, or you can just do one. Tighten that up and then do it all around. I'll get them to those.